Our modern culture is unaware of what the wisdom keepers called shamans are seeing, what is happening right under our noses, and us modern folks are too mesmerized to be watchful of what we assume is for our best interest. Multinational corporations view natural resources and human resources as tools to control the level of consciousness of the population into believing they need all these materialistic goods, which end up in wasteland dumps piled so high that there are huge mounds of them covered with grass and pipes sticking out to allow for the toxic gases to escape. Our societies around this precious planet are hypnotized into this perpetual enslavement of capitalism. We believe our savior is consumerism, transhumanism, and all the institutions that have been put in place only to suppress our freedom of exploration into the inner planes, which distracts us from what is lasting, eternal, and beneficial for all. This is the call for those willing to hear of how our global economics have created a vacuum inside people who are desperate to fill this void with the latest amusements of all kinds. The Gnostic Christians of the first centuries AD talked of archons, who are spiritual entities that have negative influence over our physical third-dimensional world and the human minds. We are seeing the effects of runaway capitalism on all living beings on this planet. Deeper wisdoms need to come forward and be introduced into all the collective society systems. Global destructive empires are the result of spiritual emptiness, isolation, lack of community, corporate corruption, and greed as a result of a demonian-type callous ways of thinking and living. We cannot continue this way, as if all will work out itself, all on its own accord. Shamans and the plants have the power to remove this insanity from our minds and provide the necessary healing to humanity and the planet, causing a beneficial vision for our future. By healing our collective insanity first, new updated systems can then be put into place that are not corruptible. We cannot rely on someone else to save us. We need to step up and transform our view by recognizing our own divinity and God power, for this is the dimension we have been placed into, to transform and to take personal responsibility. As eternal divine beings, we have the power to wake up, break free from the collective mind control of feeling we have no power, expose the deceptions, and remove ourselves from this sleep state of being. Could it be that the plants are trying to awaken us?